Hello everyone, I'm Hollis here at STEGO's North America headquarters in Kennesaw, Georgia. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit more about our real-time pilot we have here in the rear of our warehouse using electronic reclosers. The battery inside these enclosure cabinets play a very important role in this mission critical application. Electronic reclosers help keep the reliability on the power grid. Every SCADA engineer knows that most batteries are installed in a metal enclosure where the heat inside the enclosure is much hotter than the ambient temperature. And so with our filter fan technology, you can cool off that battery and extend the battery life. Here on the bottom right side of the cabinet, you can see the intake vent of the filter fan. And then here on the left top side, this is the exhaust vent for the filter fan. And later on we'll come back with another video to talk to you more about the layout and the design both inside and outside. But I just wanted to talk to you now about our pilot. We've been capturing data to demonstrate the difference in the temperatures, where we're getting as much as 20 degrees difference with the filter fan application. Again, every SCADA engineer knows that the science says 15 degrees above 79 degrees Fahrenheit cuts the battery life in half. And there are a lot of applications where they're only getting 1 year, sometimes 2 years of useful life on a 10-year useful life. We're going to capture this data over the course of the summer, so stay tuned. We look forward to getting back to you at the end of the summer. But in the meantime, we want your feedback, so please provide your feedback on our post.